Welcome to at IT Chai, AI Learners. We are diving into the exciting realm of ChatGPT, a groundbreaking AI model that has taken the world by storm. Join us as we explore the potential of ChatGPT, its implications for various industries, and the challenges it poses to society. Get ready to witness how this generative AI innovation could shape the future of our online interactions. Hey there, AI enthusiasts! In this video, we'll uncover the captivating world of ChatGPT and its impact on how we communicate online. From chatting with customers to revolutionizing journalism, this AI model has the potential to change everything. But is it a game changer or a menace? Let's find out. The power of ChatGPT. Imagine a world where businesses have an AI-powered assistant capable of effortlessly handling customer queries. With ChatGPT, that dream is becoming a reality. This revolutionary technology allows business owners to maximize efficiency and provide natural, real-time solutions. It's time to bid farewell to long waiting times and hello to a seamless customer experience, unleashing the potential. AI-generated text that feels human-like? Sounds incredible, right? ChatGPT's ability to generate written content has made waves in the journalism world. While some fear the loss of critical thinking and nuance, others see the opportunity for faster and more accurate news dissemination. Is this the end of journalism as we know it, or the start of a groundbreaking revolution? The dual nature of ChatGPT. However, we must acknowledge the limitations and challenges that come with ChatGPT. Sometimes, the model provides complex and detailed answers that may misguide users into believing them to be true. As users, it's essential to remain vigilant and critically assess the information we receive. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but not an infallible source of truth. The future of search. Picture a world where you no longer need to scroll through countless ads to find the answers you seek. With ChatGPT, you can simply ask a question and receive a precise answer. This opens up fascinating possibilities for the future of search engines. Will traditional search engines become a thing of the past? Only time will tell. Embracing the unknown. As ChatGPT evolves, the question of sustainability arises. OpenAI's decision to offer free access to ChatGPT is exhilarating, but they may need to find alternative revenue streams in the future. Will we see advertisements within the model? Could microtransactions become the norm? The future is uncertain, and while we can't predict it, we can prepare ourselves for the potential consequences. Massive demand and scaling. ChatGPT's initial launch witnessed an overwhelming response, with over 1 million users signing up within just 5 days. The surge in demand led to OpenAI's systems being pushed to their limits, causing temporary interruptions. However, OpenAI quickly scaled their infrastructure to accommodate the massive influx of users, highlighting the eager anticipation for this extraordinary technology. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it, AI learners. We've explored the immense potential of ChatGPT, its impact on various industries, and the challenges it brings along. The future of human-AI interaction is evolving before our eyes, and it's up to us to embrace the possibilities responsibly. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of AI. Until next time.